For this hip mobilization, you're going to need something to provide a visual cue, and this something is going to be the height at which the leg is going to need to rise. You don't want something too large. This is pretty perfect. You can use a shoe, whatever you have around. So you're starting in this butterfly position. Arms are back just for balance. You're going to lift up the leg, and like I said, this is going to be your visual cue. You want to get the heel over that as you rotate the hip in. You want to keep the foot up long as you can, and then slide into internal rotation stretch. Now we're going to reverse it. So knee up, then heel, and then reverse, come back, around. Okay? So each time you want to try and angle it so that you are lifting the leg a little bit closer to higher up. But ultimately the main goal is just making sure that you're articulating through that range of motion and you're not trying to make any of them too round. Back flat, slide the foot up to the inner thigh. And here you're going to contract the glute of this leg that's pulled up so that the hips roll towards the mat. You should already start to feel a little slight stretch in the front of the hip. If you're already feeling it here, that's fine. It's going to be your mode. It's just going to be easing in and out of that contraction. If not, you can do a little bit more. Now you're going to press up. Adding this type of force is going to force a little bit more of that mobilization into an extension position. Okay? You do about 10 of these. And again, you don't have to come up all the way. You just come up where you start to feel that stretch. Couple that with having the leg in the same position but hanging off the side. And then you're going to lift the knee up. So similar to the other one with the block, now you're strengthening some of those external rotators that probably aren't being used or used